Hello again everyone. Today we have a special sound and that sound is O. Can you say it? O. Now, don't forget we say the sounds, then we put them together to make the words. Are you ready for some words? I think you are. What do we have today? Let's go and find out. D O G Dog. Dog. I have a cat and a dog at home. Op. Mop. Mop. We use a mop to clean the floor. D. O. O. Doll. Doll. My sister likes to play with her doll. Fox. 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 A fox looks like a red dog. Pop. 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 Be careful, don't make the balloon go pop. P. O. T. Pot. Pot. We cook food in a pot. H. O. P. Hop. Hop. We can only use one leg when we hop. D. O. T. Dot. Dot. A dot is a very small circle. B. O. X. Box. Box. A box has 6 sides. H. O. T. Hot. Hot. Summer in Thailand is very hot. O. G. Hog. Hog. A hog is a big pig. L. O. G. Log. Log. We make a log when we cut a tree. T. O. P. Top. Top. A toy top spins round and round. Can you use the words? Do you remember what we do? Well, we look at the sentence again, but we take out our special O word. If you know what it is, shout it out and say everything that I say. Let's have a look. We make a when we cut a tree. L-O-G. Log. We make a log when we cut a tree. We use a to clean the floor. Mop. Mop. We use a mop to clean the floor. Looks like a red dog. Fox. Fox. A fox looks like a red dog. We cook food in a pot. We cook food in a pot. Is a very small circle. D-O-T. Dot. A dot is a very small circle. Summer in Thailand is very hot. Summer in Thailand is very hot. Is a big pig. H-O-G. Hog. A hog is a big pig. A toy spins round and round. T-O-P. Top. A toy top spins round and round. My sister likes to play with her doll. My sister likes to play with her doll. We can only use one leg when we hop. We can only use one leg when we hop. Be careful. Don't make the balloon go pop. Be careful. Don't make the balloon go pop. I have a cat and a at home. D-o-g, dog. I have a cat and a dog at home. Has 6 sides. B-ox, box. A box has 6 sides. Well, now you know the O words. Can you look at them again and try to remember them? Next week, we've got another sound. Work hard, be a superstar, and I will see you soon. Bye! Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.